Hello everyone, I am Alex Bavolsik from HowToDoTech.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to customize and organize your Windows 8.1 Start menu. Now, I would like to point out I'm using Windows 8.1 Pro Preview, but this is going to be the same in the final versions of Windows 8.1. I will also not be showing you how to customize the background of Windows 8.1, but in order to look at personalizing the look of it, such as the Windows color or the background image, you can take a look at our customizing Windows 8.1 video that's going to be available right now by clicking the picture that you see on your screen. So let's get right into the new tile interface. The first thing you'll notice is there are 4 sizes instead of 2. In Windows 8 we had the square look, and then we had the wide look, which is basically twice the size of a square look. Now that's pretty cool, but I found the wide look to not show enough information for things I want detailed information for, and then I found the square look to just be a little too big for apps that I didn't want to see that much. Well, I was ecstatic to see that we have even larger tile sizes, which is twice the size of wide. That's great for showing me detailed information when I need it, and I really enjoy it. And we also have small sizes for apps that I just want to see the icon for, give it a little quick shortcut, but I don't really need it to be right in my face. So a great way to give you a demonstration is go to All of Apps. In Windows 8, you had to right-click and then go to All Apps, or just swipe up on Touch. Well, swiping up on touch is the same because that's really simple. However, now I can just hit this back or down arrow and I can get to all of my apps if I'm using a mouse or a trackpad, which can be very handy. Now I'm going to use food and drink as an example. I'm just going to right click and hit pin to start. And now it's in its own group by default. Now it's in that wide look, and as I said, I'm not a big fan of this. So I'm just going to right click on the app, hit resize, and I'm going to choose large. And it's going to give me this large look that is much better in my opinion. Now we're also going to have this new customizing menu. To get to this menu, if without clicking on an app, you can just right click anywhere on your screen and hit customize. Now I can name groups. Now if you didn't know, you could always name groups in Windows 8, but before you had to zoom out on the screen and then name groups that way. Now I can just name groups while zoomed in. So I'll call this food and hit enter, and then click anywhere and it's named the group, and I'm right back to that interface I know and love. If I want to move groups around, I can just zoom out, and then from here I can move food all the way over to right next to media and information. And now I'm looking at food, so that's pretty cool as well. Now maybe I want to add food to the information group itself. All I have to do is hold on and drag it. I can move it below here. I can put it right in there, or I could put it at the top right. And I think that's a really nice place for it as well. And then I don't have to click to get off the customization menu because I was just dragging apps around. So that's really nice as well. So some of the added bonuses, I guess you could say, in Windows 8.1 that you didn't have in Windows 8, in addition to those icon sizes, is you can resize or change the settings for more than one icon at once. So I'm going to right click on all 3 of these. As you can see, for all of these, I can clear the selection by getting them off of my start menu. That's nice. Or I mean, not getting them off my start menu, but getting the check marks off the apps. I can turn the live tile on or off for all 3 of them at one time. I can resize all 3 of them at one time to any one of my 4 sizes. I can uninstall all 3 of them, or I can unpin them all from my start menu. So that's just going to save time, and it's a bonus feature that I think is really nice as well. I can also just take customize from here to get right back to my start menu. So that is going to be most of the customization features in Windows 8.1. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please email us at howtodotechyt@gmail.com. You can also leave those questions in the comments below, or if you have suggestions for future videos, you can give those to the same email or in the comments below as well. Feel free to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to be notified when we have more videos, and hit that like. You can also click on one of the categories to be brought to our playlist for, say, Android, iOS, Quick Tips, or Windows. Those are pretty nice playlists, if I do say so myself. And finally, you can just enjoy your Windows 8.1 experience. So, I am Alex Bavolsik, and I will see you next time.